In this video, we will show you how to load and set up your EA on MT5, step by step. Don't worry, this is very straightforward, even if you're doing this for the first time. Step 1. Download the EA. Go to your Charts Connect dashboard. Go to Downloads, and from here, you can download the latest version of the EA. You can either download from the Download section or download it during the setup using Simple or Advanced mode. For example, if you're using Simple mode, just go through the setup and click on the Download EA, and it will download the latest version automatically. Step 2. Locate and copy the EA file. Once the download is complete, go to your Download folder. You'll see the EA file here. Simply right-click and copy this file. Step 3. Open MT5 data folder. Now, open your MT5 platform. At the top menu, click File, then click Open Data Folder. This will open the MT5 system folder. Step 4. Paste the EA into the correct folder. Inside the data folder, look for MQL5. Open the Experts folder. Now, simply paste the EA file that you copied earlier into this folder. Once that's done, you can close this folder. Step 5. Refresh EA in MT5. Go back to MT5. On the left side, open the Navigator panel. Right-click on Expert Advisors and click Refresh. You'll now see the EA appear in the list. Step 6. Enable Algo Trading. Before attaching the EA, make sure Algo Trading is turned on. You can see this button at the top. It must be enabled before the EA can work. Step 7. Attach EA to chart. Choose the chart you want to use. Click on the EA and drag it onto the chart. Step 8. EA Settings and Connection. When the settings window appears, do the following. First, check Allow DLL Imports. Then, under the Inputs tab, enter the email address you used to register your Charts Connect account. Enter your token ID that you generated earlier. Once everything is filled in, click OK. Step 9. Wait for connection. Now, just wait a few seconds for the connection to happen. Once connected, you'll be able to see the status showing that the EA is connected to the platform. Step 10. Verify connection status. To double-check, you can go back to the Charts Connect dashboard and see the connection status. If you disconnect the EA from MT5, you'll see the status change to disconnected. When you reconnect it again, the status will show connected. Lastly, always make sure that the status is connected and the account tier shown matches the tier you're using on Charts Connect. Once that's confirmed, your EA is fully set up and ready to trade. And that's how you load and set up your EA on MT5 using Charts Connect. Once connected, everything runs automatically. You can now sit back and monitor your trades from the dashboard.